Searching for homes might be the most exciting part of buying a home. Now, in my experience, the key to eliminating the never-ending search is to set up a list of wants and needs. Your first focus should be what you or your family must have in a home. Now, if you're single, this is easy because you make the choices yourself. But if you're married or plan on living with someone else, then please, dear Lord Jesus, give me strength. Talk about what you both need before you start your search. I mean, as much as we all love drama, it is super awkward for us realtors when you start arguing in our cars, which has happened on multiple occasions. Your needs are items that are typically the core characteristics of the home, or things that can't be easily changed. For example, the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and size. Because guys, in real estate, size does matter. I'd also throw in location and quality of schools as sub-characteristics of your needs. Choosing wisely in these criteria will typically help you gain equity quicker and sell faster when it's time to move again. Now, once you've established your needs, then you can shift your attention to the wants. Things like garage size, chef's kitchen, or a home cinema are all desirable, but typically won't be a deal breaker. You know, it's kind of like dating, she's perfect, but she says fajita instead of fajita. Things that aren't enough to kill the deal, although you might want to start avoiding Mexican restaurants. Your wants are where compromise comes into play, and most homes will have most of what you want, but perhaps not everything. It can even help to rank your wants to help you make a decision. Now, having these priorities will help narrow your search by keeping your focus on homes that just fit your criteria. Searching for homes is exciting, and if you ever need any help, please reach out to me at the information on the screen right now. As an agent, I can expedite the process and advise on any homes you're interested within DFW. For more real estate tips and tricks, please subscribe to this page. Thanks for watching, and remember that Brits sell best. Bye-bye.